Hey, welcome back to our channel Ship and Cruise Life. So today in this video, I will show you how and from where you can apply for cruise ship jobs. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe our channel for more updates. Stay tuned and watch training. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to the Google and you have to search www.cruiseshipsjobs.com. And I will put the link in the description. You can apply from there also. Okay, first you will see the interface like this, cruise ships jobs, and on the right side you will see cruise ship jobs latest opening. All right, so here you can check like this. Okay, first arts and sales jobs, 8 vacancies are available. Beauty and fitness 72, and casino jobs 24, security jobs 13, medical jobs 41, like this. All right, and culinary jobs 220, food and beverage 207, housekeeping jobs 75, IT jobs 21. Okay, so I will apply for the inventory jobs. Just click on the inventory. There are 15 vacancies are available, so I'll click on inventory jobs. Okay, the first you will see hotel inventory controller and hotel store steward and storekeeper, and then hotel inventory and controller and storekeeper and hotel controller, assistant inventory officer. So I want to apply for assistant inventory officer. I'll click on assistant inventory officer, and then description. Just read the description, and down you will see the requirements. Okay, like very good English knowledge, like this requirements. Then just click on apply. Okay, then scroll down. Here also you can see the candidate requirements. Okay, this is your application form, login details. Okay, first enter your email address and then confirm your email address, password, and then availability. When can you start the new job? Like immediately, with a short notice, November 2021, December 2021, like this. Okay, January 2022. So I will choose January 2022. And position applying for, select up to 4 different positions in order to preference. Like I will choose assistant inventory officer, then inventory officer, then provision master, and then hotel controller manager, like this. Okay, and then contact details, your first name, last name, address, city and town, state, postal code, your country, and phone number, Skype ID is optional. Okay, and then nationality, and then select your sex, gender, then year of birth. Just enter your year of birth. Next, language, English language. Just select the level, like first language, fluent, good. Okay, I will choose the basic, and if you want to add any other languages, just select from here. Okay, like Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Japanese, Russian. Okay, and if you speak any other language, just click on add another language, and you can write from here also, and select the label, like first language, fluent, good, basic, like this. Okay, then education details. First, education type, select your education type, like college, bachelor of art, bachelor of science, bachelor of commerce, masters, like this. Okay, I will choose bachelor of commerce, and then education detail, just enter the education detail. Okay, and then like your course, your degree. Okay, and then name and location of the school, from to. Okay, if you want to add any other education, just click on add another education. Okay, work experience, if you have, just enter, otherwise it's optional. Okay, position, name and address of the employee, duties performed, from to. Okay, and then shipboard experience, if you have, just enter, otherwise it's optional. Okay, your position, name and address of the employee, duties performed, from to. All right, copy your resume and paste below in this box. Okay, and if you want to upload your resume, optional, it's optional. Okay, if you don't know how to make a professional resume for the seafarer, the link is in the description, go and check out. All right, and then agree terms and condition from here, and then send application. Okay, then thank you for your registration with Seamax International Cruise Ship Employment Services. Okay, and you will see the mail also. Okay, what you have to do next, you have to enter your email address and your password, and then login. And down you will see like apply for the hidden and unadvertised job opportunities like premium cruise jobs. Okay, but you have to pay for this one. Around the total cost of the package is 12-month membership including 49 US dollars. Okay, one time payment only. And down you will see the payment option also here. Okay, like buy now, buy now. Okay, let's log in. All right, after login you will see the name here and you will see your application like this, your education, everything. All right, or if you want to edit, you can edit from here like display and personal employment profile, change the position you are applying from, update your contact information, change your email address and password like this, update your language skill. You can edit your profile from here. Okay, and if you want to upload and update your photo, you can upload and update your photo from here like this. Okay, if you want to delete your account, just click on the delete my account and you can delete from here and log out. Okay, like this you can apply. Okay, that's it for the today. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.